Now it's time to create a two-dimensional list, and for that reason I'm gonna delete this code because I don't need this code. And up here I'll create a variable called numbers. I'm gonna put equals to, and I'm gonna create our list. I'm gonna put square brackets, and now I'm gonna press enter to push the right square bracket on the next line, and inside the square brackets I'm gonna put another pair of square brackets, and now I'm gonna define our elements here. So I'm gonna put here 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna put comma, then I'm gonna put another pair of square brackets for 5 and 6, comma, and then another pair of square brackets, and I'm gonna put here 7, 8, and 9. Now, what we have here is what is called a two-dimensional list, where the indexes of the list are its own list. So at the index 0 we have a list, at the index 1 we have another list, and at the index 2 we have another list. Now, let's say that I want to get an element from this list. To do that, I'm gonna add a print line here. I'm gonna type our list, numbers. Now, in order to get the element, let's say 9 from our list, first we need to go at the index where the array is. So the index where the array is 2. And next we need to get the index of the element where is in that array at that index. So we need to put here another pair of square brackets, and I'm gonna put 2 to get the element 9. So now, if I run this code, we get 9 output in the console. Now let's see how we can loop through this list. And to loop through this list, we need to use what is called the nested loops. So I'm gonna add here a for loop. I'm gonna type here for elements in numbers, colon, elements should be here. And I'm gonna add another for loop here for numbers in elements, and I'm gonna add now a print here, which is gonna say which is gonna output, and here it should be number, not numbers. Let's change this to number. So now if you run this, you'll see our elements output in the console. So you get all our elements output in the console. So this is how you can create a two-dimensional list, and here you can put other types of data. Here you can put strings, here you can put booleans, you can put whatever data you wish. You can even put here class objects, but we're gonna see what those are in the next section. So see you in the next video. I'm gonna end the video now.